Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is a lot more busy.
It's a lot more hip, boy.
But you know what's so weird? That this is a Monday night.
Yeah. Oh, this is very hip, bro.
Because this is the main road.
맞아요. 우리한테 그거는 좀 금요일 느낌이에요. 불금 느낌이에요.
Oh, this place is very cool.
Oh, we need to come back here, bro.
Yeah.
And in South Africa, we don't have
Yeah.
these kind of vibes on a
Nothing like
Monday.
this on a Monday night. And it's nice that it's so safe. You can just walk. No problem. No need to worry.
Yeah.
Obviously, in SA, we wouldn't necessarily have something like this because of the risks associated with walking on the streets at
Look,
night.
I'm holding my phone right now.
Yeah, and you haven't lost it yet. SA would have been gone, bro. It's amazing though how many young people are out and about though. You can definitely tell that it's a university town. Yeah. It's nice. I like the
You need to
vibe.
be careful now, boys.
Yeah.
Because the map says, I think we've walked long enough to kind of. Oh yeah, no, we're going the right way, folks.
Are we?
Yeah.
I hope so, bro.
Yeah, it is. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
square. This is
Yeah,
it.
it is.
That's it. We nailed it. Well done. Nailed it. Well done. Hey?
That's Star Squid.
It says no, but VR. We've made it. Hello? 안녕하세요. How do we go about this?
3 tickets.
Can we do some VR? 3?
Oh, the different options.
Okay. So you figure out what we want to do.
별의별 게 다 있다.
우와.
So, racing, horror, shooting.
Because I don't want horror, man.
We're all getting it.
Just remember, when you get scared, you just take the mask off.
You just don't want to get the horror ticket, bro.
All right, floor 4.
Good.
Why do you have to pick horror, bro? Because I'm freaked the hell out of that.
Even me, it's not good.
So we start with driving?
Yeah, let's do roller coaster, then we can ching if we want to do horror.
Okay.
Let's go 3.
Sorry, please. Just the count.
Okay. I see.
Oh my word.
That's crazy, bro.
This is quite crazy.
Please straight, please.
Yes.
Okay?
Look straight, all right.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
이거 어디 나라 말도 아닌 것 같은데? 욕했다.
욕했어.
Check how high it is. Have a look.
저게 근데 진짜 실감이 난다니까. 그게 이상해.
I'm not looking down, bro. Oh, shit.
오.
no, no. Oh no. Oh my word. This is not real. It's not real. This is so sick. It's not real.
What the hell's going on here, bro?
진짜 신기해. 저거 하나 썼는데 저렇게.
Is that it?
That was very sick. That was quite sick.
Bro, that was petrifying, bro. Horribly petrifying.
아까 그 허세 어디 갔어?
Thank you.
I don't know how I feel, bro.
Are we gonna ching for the horror one? Odd one out doesn't have to do it.
Because only two.
Yeah.
So the odd one out doesn't have to do it.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get.
진짜 무서운가 봐.
Okay. Ching chong cha. Okay. Ching chong cha.
이야 어떻게 또 폼이 승리했어요.
진짜 좋아한다.
Good luck, boys.
How long is this one, man? How long? 7 minutes.
How many?
7 minutes, bro.
폼은 신났어.
Bro, it's not real. Okay, that's all. Good luck.
What do you see, Oaks?
너무 울상이다 쇼는. 입꼬리가 확 내려갔어. 어떡해. 저 호러 VR도 진짜 신기한 게 아무도 나를 안 만지는데 만지는 게 느껴져요. 너무 신기해요. 너무 무서워요. 진짜 무서워 이거.
너무 싫어.
Oh, Jesus! Oh,
The jump
Lord. Why does that keep happening?
저리 가래.
Mate. No, man.
지금 너무 좋아해 폼은.
Alright, there we are.
아이, 쫄았네, 쫄았어.
아 너무 웃기다.
아.
I'm glad that's over with.
Yeah, see us look like idiots, eh?
Should we go up to 6th floor?
밖에서 볼 땐 참 웃겨요, 저게.
직접 하는 것보다 하는 사람 보는 게 더 재밌어요 VR을.
So, okay, what is this? This is it. This is the one.
Okay, cool.
서로 대결하는 거예요 지금?
어.
야, 또 쇼는 또 승도 폭발하겠는데?
오, 14대 1대 0이야?
Who's 4?
Bro, I don't know, bro.
Yeah, 4 is a massive problem. Who's number 4?
결과가 먼저 지금 나온 거네. 뭐 결과를 먼저 보여줬어요?
손 되게 잘해요. 움직이고.
자연스럽게.
I don't know if we started.
I don't see none of you niggas. I don't see any of you niggas. What? Is someone shooting me, bro? I think I'm dead, bro. Die!
뭐 하는 거야?
I'm being killed, bro. Jesus. I'm dying like. Wait. Who's killing me though? That's 7 deaths, bro. I want to know who's killing me.
그러니까 한 명도 못 죽인 사람이 품이네.
그런가 보다.
Yep, headshot, boychi.
오.
I think I'm dead, bro.
신속히 이동해. 좋아. 먼저 알겠다. 수류탄 투척. 이곳은 안전하다. 따라와라. 거절한다. 신속히 이동해.
아, 폼이 좀 나오네요, 폼이.
알겠다. 수류탄 투척. 나이스 샷. 에이사인.
Who's killing us, bro?
흥미 혼자
다른 게임 하는 거 아니야? 혼자.
Who won?
Bro, who is for?
Who's number 4?
Who's for? Who's player 4?
오, 자.
찰.
찰.
로보캅 같다, 진짜. 로보캅 같아.
You killed
Did Pino just give us all the...
션 아까 그걸 다 하고 한 명 죽인 거라고요?
하나만 죽였어요. 하나.
이러고 딱 하나 죽인 거.
Jeez, bro. That is very impressive.
Are you not entertained? Not one day.
Bro, I didn't kill no one.
Did you make 0 kills?
저렇게 차이가 날 수가 있구나.
Go on a night.
Okay.
It was fun. Sheesh, bro. I was pissed at that, hey?
How many kills did you get?
Nothing, bro.
How though?
I don't know.
Clever.
But I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I
Oh,
enjoyed
that's
all
sick.
of it.
That's sick.
잘 갔네. VR 재밌게 했네, 진짜. 나도 좀 껴서 했으면 하는 생각이 있을 것 같아요, 친구들이랑.
네.
같이 놀았으면 하는 생각이.
제가 4번이었을 거예요.
아, 아쉽겠다.
Then the
Yeah,
team
so
ran into
let's move. Let's move. Let's move, boys.
Yeah, that's that.
You are left.
Is that what they do? Get dressed
That's
up?
the
and then go?
karaoke.
Is that the karaoke room? Is that what we wanted us to do?
Yeah. I think
So
so.
it's like just a little room you sing karaoke in.
They probably get dorked.
That is
Those people do not look sober.
that is very interesting.
Oh yes. It's nice streets, eh?
Haven't always been somebody you could put your trust in, but
Okay, guys. So I think what we should do is pop into one of these convenience stores.
Yeah.
And I believe you can eat just outside one of these.
Maybe some crisps.
And then I think let's try some Korean snack.
myself a new place.
Thank you very much. Thank you. 감사합니다.
Grab the
The Bezos. Let me grab.
Why I gave it away. This
Yeah.
is a brand
Yeah, this one. Sit here.
I hope you see it
We've got honey butter.
What is it?
Honey butter. And I think that's some sort of... No idea. It looks like, I thought it was chicken, chili chicken, but it may not be. So let's try.
Is that one putting on a bit of a fight, eh? Yeah, it's alright. How's that one? 역시.
느낌 있는 친구예요.
Those are nice, but they're very different, aren't they?
I like them though.
What flavour is that you get?
Yes.
Thrown on that.
Yeah, it's alright. It's quite sweet, this one. Let's have a taste. Because it looks like they go for the sweet chips, which is not something we do in South Africa.
이거는 칩시라고 해요. 그 칩시는 이렇게 달콤해서 좀 우리한테
어색하죠, 어색해.
예.
Now this one, I like the more traditional salty type chips. That one I like the most, to be honest. I need butter. No, I think butter is my least favorite because it's too sweet.
It's like a dessert.
톰은 마음에 들었구나.
원래 인기 엄청 많은 상품인데.
외국인들이 제일 좋아하는 칩이잖아요.
Now let's find out what.
Choose anything else, I would have those.
The last one's playing up again.
I can't say enough.
See, these are meant. This I'm sure are they buffalo wings.
You still at home? Or you
I
still
like
want-
all of them.
Yeah, also.
When you travel to a foreign place,
Yeah.
I always try their crisps because it's so different
Yeah.
to everywhere else.
This is a cool vibe, bro. Let me take a picture of you, Oaks.
여유롭다.
아 좋아 보인다.
저기 앉아서 얘기하면서 또 사람 구경도 하고.
뒤에 벚꽃 쫙 있고 그쵸?
Hello, and I'll never say goodbye. You're a diamond in the rough, a needle in the hay.
You Oaks almost ruined that one, eh?
오, 예쁘다. 아유. 요 사진 한 장으로 이 여행의 여유를 이제 기억하는 거잖아요.
I think it's amazing. I think it's beautiful that you can come out of an ordinary convenience store, come out and cherry blossoms.
Have a beer, have some crisps.
Yeah. So I always like to do that. But yeah, all in all, I think it's been all. What do you think about today? I thought today was an absolute blast.
저 성격이면 뭘 해도 성공한다. 진짜.
Yeah, I think we've got a good mix of like the cultural stuff.
아, 또 풍짝에 맞죠. 친구는 친구예요.
The museum,
Yeah.
seeing where the whole Korean civilization started.
Nangdaemun Market.
Nangdaemun,
We
yeah.
got lucky there because we found everything that we wanted
Yeah,
so easily. But we were just wandering around, not having.
이들의 자화자찬의 끝은 어딜지는 정말.
아 이게 진짜 긍정이구나.
And luck on our side. You know what I mean?
It's a good day today.
I think all in all, went well.
Taxi?
No, that's not a taxi.
No.
Did we get it? We didn't get it.
Is Spa Lee closed? Yeah.
Only one. No, no.
Only woman.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah. That was also dope. Yeah, but I'm actually forgetting the stuff that we did, and we actually did a lot.
Yeah, we were quite busy. I think that was probably the most successful. We did everything we wanted.
Well, we ate what we wanted to eat.
와 진짜 레알 긍정이다.
방금 들었죠? 하고 싶은 거 다 했다고.
Man, that's good. But it's so tasty.
That looks familiar.
Oh, what a bling, eh?
Check, this one has even got...
This thing's timeless.
even
It's one right, and then there's a lady selling them.
Is that a fountain?
Yes, delicious. Go have one. It is delicious.
안녕하세요.
네. 정말 잘하시네.
빵 나와? Because I think we probably interacted more with people today than yesterday.
Yeah, people are very friendly. Everywhere we went, we were very well received.
I think the strictest people are the guys that work at the convenience stores.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was actually about to ask you, James, like, where do you think we are right now?
Where do you think we are?
Like, as in, like, it's you're like at the corner of some street, under some cherry blossom, outside a convenience store.
Yeah, I think all in all, it's been a very successful day.
Much better than yesterday.
Can't wait for tomorrow.
근데 너무 좋은 친구들이다.
맞아요.
너무 긍정적이고 어떻게 보셨어요?
항상 뭐 긍정적인 친구라서 네. 진짜 마음이 편하고 항상 그 행복하게 기분이 나쁘게 만든 것도 없어요. 네.
아니 뭐 친구들 덕분에 우리도 좀그 요건 봄날에 그 여유를 뭐 대신 좀 느낀 그런 기분이 있어요.
맞아.
부럽네요. 아, 새 친구 부러웠어요. 나 하루하루 이제 뭐 나를 더해가지고 좀 재밌는 시트콤이 계속 전개가 되고 있어요.
벌써 두 번째다.
아, 우리 품분리 또 더더욱 기대가 됩니다. 다음 주에도 여러분들 기대해 주십시오. 셋째 날은 우리 남아공 친구들 여행 어땠을지 꼭 함께 해 주십시오.
모두의 즐거움 MBC 에브리원.